Alright guys, what's up? Got something really cool to show you today. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. This thing is not your average keyboard. It's a compact 60% form factor, which means it saves a ton of desk space. But don't let the size fool you, it's packed with features. We're talking about some next-level tech here. The biggest selling point? These crazy OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. I know it sounds like a mouthful, but trust me, it's a game changer. Basically, instead of traditional mechanical switches, these use magnets. Why is that a big deal? Because it means insane speed. They claim 20 times faster actuation and 11 times faster response than standard mechanical keyboards. And honestly, it feels like it. Gaming on this thing is ridiculously responsive. But it's not just about speed. The real magic is the adjustability. You can literally customize the actuation point of each individual key. So, for WASD, you can set it super light for lightning-fast movements in games. Then, for something like your ability keys, you can set a deeper actuation so you don't accidentally fat-finger them in the heat of the moment. Think of how useful that is for avoiding misclicks. You can fine-tune it from 0.1 millimeters all the way to 4 millimeters. It's insane. And get this, you can even program 2 different actions to the same key. A light tap could be walking, and a harder press could be sprinting. It opens up a whole new level of control and customization. It's like having 2 keyboards in one. Now, I know some people are hesitant about 60% keyboards. You're losing dedicated arrow keys, function row, and all that. But SteelSeries has done a good job of making the layout functional. You can access all those missing keys with secondary functions, and honestly, it doesn't take long to get used to. Plus, the extra desk space is a huge plus for me. The build quality is also solid. It's got a premium aluminum top plate, PBD keycaps, which are super durable and resistant to that oily shine that cheaper keycaps get. And it's got a detachable USB-C cable, which is always a nice touch. It's compatible with Windows, Xbox, PlayStation, and even Mac, although some software features might not be supported on Mac. So, is it perfect? Well, it does come with a premium price tag. It's definitely an investment. And the learning curve for the adjustable actuation might take a little time. You want to play around with the settings to find what works best for you. But honestly, the performance and customization options are unlike anything I've experienced before. If you're a serious gamer looking for the absolute fastest and most customizable keyboard out there, and you're willing to pay for it, then the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini is definitely worth checking out. It's a beast. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you tried this keyboard? What are your settings? I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.